In this ever-changing world, it is always important for you to think outside the box and not rely on a single income or even rely on your formal job. Let's face it, the world is increasingly becoming expensive and we would all love to live a certain lifestyle. Unfortunately, not many of us can afford the lifestyle we would like to have, at least not with single formal employment. The fact that there is a high rate of unemployment today does not help the situation, and this goes for both the educated and the uneducated alike. This, therefore, calls for ways of how to make extra money to increase your income base. One of the ways that you could make some extra money is online. However, the question would be how you go about making some money online, especially given that the World Wide Web is filled with con artists and some not-so-honest jobs. Contrary to what you might think, it is actually possible for you to make money online without necessarily doing illegal or immoral things. Below are some of the legit ways of making money online in Uganda that have been tried and tested. Article or content writing and rewriting. Writing is not only reserved for journalists but can be done by all who have a passion for it. If you love to read, then I guarantee that you can write as well, or at least you can learn to do so. There are a number of legitimate sites online that connect article writers to those who would like content to be written for them. Not that you will get a highly paying job as soon as you start, but like all things in life, your reputation will speak for itself. Slowly build a clientele, and in a short time, you will have so much work to do that you may not be able to finish it all. Some of the sites that you could start with are freelancer.com and fiverr.com, among others. You could also look out for some blogs that are looking for paid content. Affiliate marketing. Sell other people's products online and make money. Affiliate marketing is that simple. If you have your own products, you could sell those, but if you don't, all you might need to do is pay a small fee to access other people's content and start marketing it or selling it on their behalf to earn a commission. Start your own website, blog. You need not have a degree in computer engineering or programming to start your own website. There is so much content online as to how to start your own website, right from choosing a domain to templates and design. Create your own website, post attractive or good content, get visitors and start earning money. However, for this to be a viable income-generating activity, you need to employ some bit of creativity. Create a website that has content which will attract as many visitors as possible. Remember that the more traffic you receive on the site, the higher your earnings. Surveys and reviews. There are several websites online that offer payment for surveys and reviews of different products and services. You might be required to write reviews about certain products or take surveys on them. However, it will also require you to supply certain information to that website, for example your credit card information or banking details. It might also require that you purchase the products or try out the services for you to be able to offer a proper input as to their quality. However, it is of utmost importance that you be careful when supplying your bank details, since they can be used by fraudsters to rob you. In other words, only deal with websites that are genuine, and remember that if a site is offering money that seems too good to be true, it probably could be a scam. Virtual assistantship. It is possible for you to work from home and work as a virtual assistant to businesses or companies that need help doing things like answering phones, responding to emails, data input, and any other administrative support. You will most likely work with businesses that are too busy to do the work themselves and are looking for a workforce that is not too expensive yet effective at the same time. You could choose to do this as a solo or make a company and partner with other virtual assistants, especially if you are looking to dealing with big companies that might have loads of work. You too do not want to be overwhelmed and seem ineffective in the work given. Data entry. Many may argue that automation is threatening this kind of work today, but I assure you there is still lots of data that needs to be entered in many companies in the world. This is one of the easiest jobs you can do online, since it doesn't require any special skill other than having a good typing speed and dedication. So if you get a data entry job, take it not for granted but do it effectively, and it could bring for you some good money. Gaming and betting. Gambling is also another thing that you could look into, though it is often best that this is combined with another job altogether. For you to benefit from gaming, you need to do it responsibly and also understand the kind of game you intend to invest in. For example, if you are a football fan and understand the game and teams well, you are probably best placed to focus on betting on football than going into, say, horse racing. The ways of making money online at home are endless, and it is not possible to exhaust all of them in one single article or go. But whatever you try, remember that like all other jobs, you may have to start small and slowly grow your business. You could choose to do online work as full-time or simply take it on a part-time basis as a way of earning some extra money. Whatever you decide, the work is out there and you need only go out and search for it.